This is my audience for my informative speech on how to get a chest x-ray. I'm Michelle Harris, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a chest x-ray. Chest x-rays are the first exam that is taught to a radiography student. They are the most common exams that we do in our radiology department. We do 2 exposures, one from back to front called a posterior anterior view, and also a side-to-side view called a lateral. The first thing you have to do is to get your patient changed. Make sure they have no metal on, no necklaces, and no bras. You bring your patient in, do the 2 films, look at your films, and then they're sent to the radiologist for a review. Now I'm going to get my patient. Ma'am, step right over here. Today we're going to get a chest x-ray on you. We'll be doing 2 pictures, one from back to front and one from the side. Okay? Let me get my film. For each film for each view you use a different film. I have you lean in against there. What I want you to do is to roll your shoulders forward. Bring your arms out around the side. You need to make sure that the patient is centered to the film. Make sure your light and your grid are centered up. And that looks great. Ma'am, is there any chance you can be pregnant?
No.
Okay. What I want you to do is to take in a big deep breath and hold your breath in. Don't breathe. Okay, we'll take the first shot. Switch our film out. And take the second picture. Ma'am, for this picture, what I want you to do is to put your left side against the board. I want you to bring both arms up and grab one underhanded, please. Stand just like that. You need to make sure that the patient's back is perfectly straight. Okay. Just take in another deep breath for me and hold it. And we're all finished. Ma'am, I'm going to let you have a seat while I look at your pictures. The final thing that you do in a chest x-ray is to process both films. That takes about 30 seconds. You look at your images. You want to make sure that you have covered the lung fields from apices to the angles. You also want to show the heart and make sure that the patient took a good inspiration. You don't want the film to have any motion on it. And then you will do all of your paperwork and send it in for the radiologist. That's how you do a chest x-ray.